Sleep with garlic under your pillow and this will happen. Hey everyone, welcome to Heal How, where we focus on home remedies and natural healing using plants. In today's feature, we go over what happens when you sleep with garlic under your pillow. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video, where we will give you a really simple recipe to get the most nutrients from garlic. Garlic is a very common plant used in the preparation of meals in many countries worldwide. It was introduced to Europe 4,000 years ago, then dispersed all over the globe. While it has been mainly used to season food, it also has amazing medicinal properties and has been the main ingredient in many home remedies for years. The usable part of the plant is the bulb, which is round and has a white, sheath-like skin you can peel off in order to get to the intense and spicy smelling cloves. Garlic is considered by some the most extraordinary of all the medicinal plants. Garlic has been used to flavor dishes, get rid of pests such as mosquitoes, and even play into superstitions such as being effective in repelling vampires. Amazing in whatever capacity it is utilized, we do know that garlic is high in nutritional value. It has many important qualities and can benefit your health in many ways. Garlic is high in calories and provides up to 98 calories per 100 grams. A 100 gram serving of garlic includes 98 calories, 7.9 grams of protein, 0.6 grams of fat, 16.3 grams of carbohydrates, and 5.5 grams of fiber. Garlic is an essential source of vitamin B6, magnesium, selenium, and vitamin C. It also contains minerals such as phosphorus, calcium, potassium, iron, and copper. It has amazing cleansing properties and is used as a disinfectant, tonic, cough suppressant, and reduces inflammation or swelling. Garlic also combats hypertension by regulating blood pressure, fights diabetes, colds, and other respiratory illnesses such as bronchitis and chronic sinusitis. Now, what you've all been waiting for. Here's why you should sleep with garlic under your pillow. An old folk remedy involves using garlic as an effective sleep aid. This is especially helpful to people who suffer from insomnia. Garlic's strong smell has a calming effect and can improve your quality of sleep. Once you get accustomed to the smell, the results have been known to be pretty good. It also has a positive effect on your performance throughout the day as a tonic, by helping you at night to recharge for the day ahead. Here is a really simple recipe that you can use to get the most nutrients from garlic. Step 1. Cut the cloves from the bulbs. Step 2. Peel the skin off the cloves. Step 3. Use a blunt object to press them and extract the juice in a small bowl. Take 10 to 15 drops in water 3 times a day. Like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on home remedies and natural healing using plants.